Hello everyone, Melanie Morissette here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to focus on your abs. And today it's somebody's birthday. Riley is 9 years old and sometimes he still look like a puppy or acting like a puppy. So grab your mat and we're going to start right on your back. We're going to focus again just on your abs. See you in a bit. Okay, let's go on your back. You're so cute. Okay, so I want we focus as well on your transverse abdominis. So your transverse abdominis is the deepest layer you have in your abs, and it's also the most important one we need to focus on. So to work on that, okay, where is he? Keep your feet flat, abs are tight, bring your lower back in contact with the mat, and we're gonna bring one knee at a time slowly up. So this is option one, very easy. So when you bring your heel down again on the floor, this is the hardest. If you're really engaging your abs, you're going to feel it. Now, if you are more advanced, you're going to bring your knees up and you're going to touch down and then up again. Exhale, inhale, come back. Okay? So again, keep your lower back against the mat the entire time. If you want to make it harder, legs are straight and come up and lower. So your legs this time are not touching the floor. You try to go as low as you can, respect your lower back. If it's getting too sore, go back right here, tapping the toes. Choose your option. Let's go. My back is sore today. I'm going to start like that, but I might need to keep going just with my knees bent. And that's okay. 4, 3, 2. Good. And slowly release. Woo, bend your knees. Now I'm going to keep my knees bent. Wide elbows. We're going to crunch. Inhale. Exhale. Crunch. Look at your thighs. Inhale. Slowly down. Exhale up. And again. Slowly down. Exhale. Slowly up. And this one is hard for me because of my deep lower back. I'm an ex-competitive gymnast, so my lower back is very deep. I have a lordosis. So every time I do a crunch like that, it's hard. Can we do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Do you feel that? We're not done. I want you to grab the rope. Let's go. 10, 9. Are you breathing? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And slowly release. Bring your knees to your chest. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to go on the other side. I like if we can do a plank. Plank is part of your abs. I love planks, but some people don't. So you choose if you want to do it or not. You can do it from your knees or from your toes. You decide. Shoulders are in, abs are tight. Hold it. If your butt is up, that's okay. Eventually, you're going to get stronger. You're going to bring it down. Keep breathing. I should turn the other way. That way, I'll be with Riley boy. Birthday boy. Oh. See right there. Come on. Do you want to keep your hat? It's so beautiful. Okay, can we do 10 more? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can we wiggle? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. And slowly release. Are we warm? I am warm. Let's go back on your back. I'm going to do obliques again. This time, I'm going to open my arms a little bit wider. Option 1, you bend your knees. Option 2, a little bit more challenging. You keep your legs straight. You go side to side. I want you to keep your shoulders in contact with the mat the entire time. Choose your option. Let's go. Keep the legs glued together. Use your inhale to come back. Exhale to side. So further you're going down, harder it is. Good. So I'm using my fingers as well to add a little bit more stability. There we go. Try to go further down. Make sure you can come back. 4, 3. I have a surprise for you. 2, 2. Last one. Okay. Now you're going to stay to the side right here again. If it's getting too hard, bend your knees. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Stay right here again. Try to go as low as you can. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And slowly come back. Knees to chest. Good job. Okay, I'm going to flip again. I'm going to go back to a plank. You know you can do it from your knees. And I want you to touch your opposite elbow. You can also do it from your toes, but this is very hard. And I want you to try to avoid rocking the hips. So I cheat a little bit. I open more my legs, but that way I know I can be very stable. You're getting tired? Again, drop on your knees. Are you ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Bring your abs into your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. One more. Oh, this one. There we go. And slowly release. I like we can do a side plank. Again, I'm going to give you options. You can be on your knees. You can even use your other hand to lift it up. Okay? So on your knees, lift, stay here, extend the leg. Option 2. Option 3, obviously right on your feet. Choose your option. Can we stay for 30 seconds? You just need to build it up. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, halfway there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Whew. We're going to switch side. Same thing. If you weren't able to do 30 seconds, no worries. Again, you're going to get there. Choose your option. And we're going to get going. I prefer my forearm because I have a bigger base of support and it's way easier for my shoulder. So make sure you don't have shoulders injuries to do this one. When you're ready, come up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Contract your glutes. Abs are tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Bring your hip up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. And release. Okay, this is it. We've done a few exercises to work your abs. So try the video again and again and again, and eventually you'll get stronger. You want more video? Go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.